challenge Veneto Start 2023 give the possibility to a lot of young guys to recommend their ideas about remote sensing, and especially remote sensing in agriculture. In these days, I had the possibility to live a few moments, a few hours with a winning team, and we had the possibility to bring together our experience from university with their experience coming from real life. I really believe that putting together the new ideas brought by these young scientists with the experience and the scientific approach that we are developing in a university, we really can bring new solutions to grow new technologies in the agricultural field.